Namaskar, welcome in Yoga with Marina. Today we are here with series of weight loss program which I have launched two video, part 1 and part 2. To follow this video, it's very necessary to follow previous part 1 and part 2 वीडियो. ये वीडियो उनके लिए है जो मेरे पहले प्रीवियस वीडियो को फॉलो किए हैं ऑन फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड स्ट्रेंथ. सो हियर वी स्टार्ट. First, sit in any comfortable position or come to Vajrasana, both leg apart. Earlier I said before doing any asanas or exercise, you have to just close your eyes, connect your mind, your breath and your body with deep inhalation. Just watch your breath and exhale. अपनी आंखें बंद करके ध्यान मुद्रा में बैठते हुए अपने शरीर, अपनी सांस और मन को एकाग्र करते हुए align your body, your mind and your breath. Deep inhale and slowly exhale. You can do it 3 to 4 times. Now open your eyes, just come for few stretchings before we start with advanced asanas for weight loss. First of all, come with cat and cow stretch. Inhale, look up. Exhale, squeeze the navel and round your spine, Marjorie pose. I have launched this in previous video also. Inhale, look up. Exhale, squeeze the navel and round your spine. One more inhale, look up. Press your spine down and exhale, squeeze your navel and round your spine. Inhale, press your spine down. Look up. Compress your tailbone down. Feel the stretch on your tailbone, your spine. Now just relax for your shoulder. 1, stretch it side by side. 2, 3, 4. Bring your chest forward. Ashtanga push-ups, keeping your bodies forward, away from your hand. 1, 2, 3. You have to keep your navel up, chest and chin down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Drop your chin down, navel up, Ashtanga, Namaskar. Inhale, this is all for you, stretching whole body. Cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Again, heels up, chest forward, Ashtanga, Cobra, downward dog. Take 10 pulses of your head towards your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Paddle your leg and come for calf stretch. Now, keeping your head close to your feet, hands away from your ear. One more. Chest forward. Activate your core muscles, keeping your legs straight, core muscles tight. Drop your knees down, navel up, chest and chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Now we are working here for our upper body and our lower body. In this, you have to raise your right leg up towards ceiling, keeping your legs straight, looking down to your navel. Inhale, take a deep breath, and while exhaling, touch your knee with your elbow. Do it 10 times. Inhale back, exhale, touch. Inhale back, exhale, touch. Inhale back, exhale, touch. Inhale back. सांस भरते हुए पीछे, सांस छोड़ते हुए. You have to touch your, lifting your knee up. You have to touch your elbow with your knee. Inhale back, exhale, touch. One more. Inhale back, exhale, touch and hold. Lift it. This is only when you can build your upper strength. Now drop your leg to the right side of your mat. Inhale, lift up your right hand. Look up. For more advanced, you can pull up and down to your left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now just bring your hand down, step back for plank, and this time you have to move all the way down slowly. 1, 2, engaging your core muscles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Paddle your leg. Now same with your left side. Raise your left leg up towards ceiling. Touch your left elbow. Inhale back. Exhale, touch. Inhale back. Exhale, touch. Inhale back. Exhale, touch. Inhale back. Exhale, touch. One more. Inhale back. Exhale, touch. One more. Inhale back. Exhale, touch and hold. Drop your left knee extremely to the left side of your mat and lift up your left hand up. Raise it up. Reach up towards ceiling. Reach up towards sky. Now you can just take pulses of your right knee up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale down. Step back for plank. Body down with 10 countings. Engage your core muscles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Toes free. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Now right knee, left knee. Now raise your right leg up towards ceiling. You have to touch your forehead to your knee. Inhale back. Exhale, touch your forehead to your knee. Inhale back. Exhale, touch your forehead to your knee. Inhale back. Exhale, touch your forehead to your knee. Inhale back. Exhale, touch your forehead to your knee. Inhale back. Exhale, touch your forehead to your knee. One more. Inhale back. Exhale, touch your forehead to your knee. Bring your leg forward. Between your hand. You can drop your left knee or you can lift. Inhale, chest up. Pura. And exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. You can open your chest also. Inhale up. Go for back up. Exhale, chest down. Chest on your thighs. Drop your hand down. Step back for plank. And slowly move your body down. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Raise your left leg up towards ceiling. Touch your forehead. Inhale back. Exhale, touch. Inhale back. Exhale, touch. Inhale back. Exhale, touch. One more. Inhale back. Hold. Exhale, touch and hold. Bring your leg between your hand. You can drop your leg. This time I am dropping my leg and going for back up. Inhale. This is variation you can add. Inhale back. While going arch back, you can drop your right knee down, and while chest on your thighs, you can lift your right knee up. Inhale back. Exhale, chest on your thighs. Inhale back. Exhale, chest on your thighs. And hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands down. Step back for plank. Full body down. Slowly come up. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Now this time, inhale upward, exhale downward. This is very good for if you want to increase your upper strength, shoulder strength, core strength. Inhale upward, exhale downward. Inhale upward. You don't have to touch your body with your mat. Just off from mat. Exhale downward. सांस बढ़ते हुए ऊपर, सांस छोड़ते हुए नीचे. सांस बढ़ते हुए ऊपर, सांस छोड़ते हुए नीचे. सांस बढ़ते हुए ऊपर. And do it 10 to 20 times. 1, 2, inhale and exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You can exceed it to 20, 30, 40 as per your. जैसे भी आप प्रैक्टिस हो, धीरे धीरे आप इसको बढ़ा सकते हैं. Now, stand on your knees. We are doing Ushtasana. You can tuck your toes if your hand is not reaching, or you can release your toes if you can reach easily. Bring your right arms to your back. Inhale and exhale. Again, inhale, left arm back. Hold your ankle and roll your spine and drop head. Hold it for 30 countings. 1. Don't bring your hip back. अपने हिप को अंदर की तरफ करेंगे और सर को पीछे की तरफ, स्पाइन को अंदर की तरफ. Camel pose, Ushtasana. Keep breathing. Now with this camel pose, I am moving for Matsyasana, fish pose. आँखी जब थाइस की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाए तो you can go for fish pose. Just go for first camel pose. Go back. Drop your hand to your back. Drop your elbow down. Round your spine and go for Matsyasana. Again, come back and sit in Vajrasana. ये पूरी practice for your upper strength भी है, and you are using your lower strength but more emphasis on your upper strength. For this you have to develop your shoulder strength and your hand strength. Again, we are moving for abdominal exercise. Following with this, bring your right leg forward, left leg forward and sit in Nauka Asana. Keeping your leg up, chest forward, Nauka Asana. Good for your core strength. 1, keep exhaling. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8. If it's difficult to lift your leg, you can bring your hand to your back and you can lift your leg. And further, you can bring your hand down. And just hug your feet, release, or you can cross your leg, jump back to plank, jump forward and sit in Nauka Asana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cross your leg, lift up your hip, jump back, jump forward and sit in Nauka Asana. Now hug your feet and roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 10 roll, I'm moving towards shoulder stand because we are practicing for our upper body shoulder stand and halasana. Okay, both leg up. First, keep your leg up, but keeping your feet facing towards ceiling, and just bring your hip up for Sarvangasana, shoulder stand. show you with this. Keeping your legs straight, core facing towards ceiling, reach up high and hold. 1, 2. Don't bring your leg back, means you are dropping your core. Just try to keep your legs straight above from your navel, reaching up high towards ceiling. Keep breathing. Sarvangasana, very good for patients suffering from thyroid, digestion problem, hormonal problem, weight loss के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. And now you can move for Halasana, bow pose. Bring your leg back. Come for Halasana. You can hold your hand, binding your palm each other, keeping on your mat, stretching your arm. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Person suffering from hernia, back problem, please don't do this. Now slowly bring your hand to your back. Keep your knee close to your chest. Hug your feet and take few breaths of rest here. Because we will continue with some more abdominal exercise for your weight loss. Bring your right leg up. Make a big circle with number of times you can decide, 5, 10, 15, depends on you. But please try to pull more, make it 10 at least, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Big circle. आधा नहीं बनाना है, पूरा बड़ा सा गोला बनाना है. Now change your leg and with other leg you can do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and anti-clockwise. 1, big circle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In advance, don't keep your leg down. Every time you have to hug your feet or you can roll for your active rest. Don't keep your feet down. Keep activating your core muscles. And again, you come back to core Naukasana. Cross your leg. Lift up your hip, jump back, jump forward. Come for Naukasana. Roll it and go back. Both hands down, both legs together. 1, 2, 3. अपने दोनों पैरों से बड़ा सा एक सर्कल बनाएंगे. 4, 5 एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. 1, 2. बहुत वेरिएशन है इसमें, but with this video I'm just linking this so that you can do practice with simple exercise. Now again, hug your feet, touch your forehead to your knee. This is Pavan Muktasana. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. 5, 10, 15 times. You can repeat this. Exhale down. Touch your chin, nose and forehead. जिनको सर्वाइकल की प्रॉब्लम है, चक्कर आता है या बैक की प्रॉब्लम है, वो सर ऊपर नहीं करेंगे. They can hug their feet and roll. And rest, you can touch your chin, nose and forehead. Chin, nose and forehead. And with this lifting, you can just roll and just come way halfway up. Try to come up. Roll, try to come way halfway up. Roll, try to come halfway up. Roll, try to come halfway up. Down, hug your feet, stretch your arm. Take few stretching. Markatasana का पहला variation, you can use it. 2, 3, 4. Look opposite direction of your leg. 5. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Abhi we will do some back stretch. Bridge pose, Setu Bandhasan. Palm facing towards floor. Inhale up. Try to press your heels down. Both palm to your ground. And exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Previous video also I have teach you how to do this bridge pose. और दोनों हाथ पीछे लगाते हुए बड़ा सा ब्रिज बनाना है. Try to bring your leg more closer, and if you want to go for advanced bridge pose, you can raise your leg up, pointing your toes up, and same with other side. Raise your leg up, down, and slowly come down. And for 2 to 3 minutes, you can go for Shavasana, keeping your body lying on mat, palm facing towards ceiling. Just close your eyes, relax your body, relax your mind. Watch your breath, coming in, going out, coming in, going out. With few breathe in, breathe out. Try to connect your mind with your breath again. Inhale, yogic breathing you can go. You can keep your right hand on your stomach and feel your stomach coming in and out. Going in and out. Relax, open your eyes. Just turn around. Try to get up and sit down. Here we are for the part 3 video. You have to practice it, and then you can continue with part 4 video, which is more on warrior pose. Namaskar.